Then the opera begins.
The song of the humpback is something really beautiful. The most beautiful sound you can hear in the sea.
Jim Darling has spent the last 30 years trying to work out the meaning of these extraordinary songs.
It's very close.
Wow.